this video, I'll show you how to create a reflection effect in Canva. Open Canva, create a new project. Let's use this image as an example. Click to select the image. Go to the BG remover and remove the background. Then adjust the size and position as needed. Next, go to Apps and search for Easy Reflections. The app with the sneaker icon. Click to open it. Select your image on the page. Click Create Reflection. Adjust the offset to around 25 and the opacity to 60. Click Add to Design. Place it below the bottle. Reposition and resize the reflection to match the original image. Now, search for shadow and elements. Pick a shadow and resize it under the original image to look natural. That's how you create a reflection effect in Canva. Thanks for watching.